Holidays are coming up. You need a gift? Check these out. Mini wheels on our website, 60 bucks. Car enthusiasts in your life will love them. Pick them up, the link down below. Now let's get into the video. You've been hitting the casino, you're down to your last $50, and you want to modify your car. Well, today, I'm going to tell you about how to mod your car for 50 bucks. You don't need to drop thousands of dollars to make your car faster, look cooler, or even feel better to drive. Today, we are talking about the best car mods under 50 American dollars that can actually make a meaningful difference in performance, appearance, and driving experience. These are mods you can pick up on our website, link down below, that will not wreck your wallet and will not break your car. Now, the first one, probably my favorite here, polyurethane shifter bushings. What are they? Well, polyurethane shifter bushings replace the stock rubber bushings in your car's shift linkage. The factory rubber bushings wear out over time, making your shifter feel sloppy and vague. It just kind of goes wherever, right? Well, poly bushings are stiffer, which means more precise gear changes and a more connected driving feel. This is, of course, one of the best mods you can do if you drive a manual transmission car. Probably don't want to pop them in your auto. I don't think it'll make a difference, but it's totally night and day on your manual. So why does it matter? We've got tighter shifting, no more guessing if you're in third or fifth gear. Poly bushings last way longer than rubber. They'll probably last the life of your car. Performance feel, you'll feel like you installed a show throw shifter, but at like less than a quarter of the price. We have them for most of the popular platforms, and they are on our website, linked down below. Now, a weighted shift knob is the next one. It is a heavier gear selector that replaces your car's stock shift knob. It's not going to directly improve performance, but they are often made from materials like stainless steel, aluminum, or Delrin. The extra weight reduces the effort required to change gears by giving you more momentum when shifting. It makes gear changes feel smoother and more precise. So why does it matter? We've got better shifting feel. Smoother, more satisfying shifts are just good. They just feel good. When you do that second to third and it's perfect, there you go. They look better. It improves the look of your car's interior. There's a ton of customization options. You have tons of shapes, finishes, styles to choose from. Now, if you want a weighted shift knob, we will link them down below again in the description. This next one, gas hood dampers or hood struts, whatever you want to call them. They replace the stock prop rod that holds up your car's hood with hydraulic gas struts. Now, when you pop the hood on your car at a car show, gas struts automatically lift and hold it up. There's no prop rod required. When you're working on your car in the garage, it's easier, it's more convenient. At a show, your hood stays open, it looks better, you don't have this big rod in the middle. There's no annoying hood prop in your way when you're trying to work on like wherever the hood prop is. If it's on the front left of your motor and you need to do something right there, it's a pain in the butt. It can make your old car look more OEM plus and modern. It's more convenient for anyone who works on their car regularly. These are not adding any horsepower to your car, but it's one of those really nice quality of life changes that for 40 bucks, you're gonna be like, why didn't I do this sooner? Now, if you've already modified your car, you probably have a cold air intake, but if you don't, a high flow air filter replaces the restrictive stock air filter in your car's air intake system. Basically, the high flow filter that you're putting in there lets more air into the engine. It improves throttle response and fuel economy. They are reusable, and some are even washable, unlike throwaway factory paper filters. Your engine's gonna breathe better. It's gonna make, I don't know, guys, like I'm not gonna bullshit you here. It's probably not gonna make a lot more power, but it's probably gonna make like 2 or 3 more horsepower, and it's gonna feel a little better. You can save money by reusing and washing the filter, get a little bit better throttle response, which feels like more horsepower, and you probably gain 1 or 2 mpg, which is nice. We have a whole bunch of brands for this. K&N is probably the one we'd recommend. Now, you can head over to your local tint shop if you live in a sunny place like Florida or Southern California, and you can get a sun strip. It goes across the top of your windshield, keeps the sun from going into your eyes, it blocks glare, it makes your car look a little bit lower and meaner, oddly enough. It's an affordable appearance mod that also makes your car a little more comfortable to drive on a daily basis. Again, not something that's gonna like make 300 horsepower, but it reduces the glare so you're not squinting into the sun on sunny days. It's a nice little customization touch that goes really well if you have like a black roof or similar. It helps keep your car interior a little bit cooler, and you can just head over to your local tint shop and be like, yo, throw a sun strip on it. It'll be like 50 bucks. Now, if you have to run a front plate in a state like California and you don't just choose to eat the tickets, you can get a license plate relocation kit. It takes your plate from the middle of the bumper to a more aesthetically pleasing spot, usually the tow hook. What does it do? Well, it's kind of twofold. It improves airflow to your radiator or intercooler. Having a license plate in front of your intercooler actually does rob performance, while it also gives your car a sleeker, cleaner look. Why does it matter? Well, same deal. Keeps your engine running a little bit cooler, and it improves the appearance of your car. In my opinion, don't run a front plate, eat the $15 ticket, it is what it is. But if you need to run one, Just screw this thing into your tow hook, put your plate on, there you go. This next one is a huge change that I'm a big fan of. LED interior light kits. Your factory light bulbs on most cars older than like 2015 are halogen and they look awful, and you can replace them with LEDs for your interior. They use less power than traditional bulbs. They improve your car's interior lighting, making it look more modern and high-end. You can see things better when you drop that half sandwich between your seat and your center console. You can see where it went. It makes your car look more modern. Your interior feels updated. Obviously, they are more energy efficient, which I cannot possibly imagine any of you watching this video care about that, but they do last longer, which is a nice plus. And again, for 50 bucks, you want to just upgrade your car a little bit, buy one of these. So let's wrap it all up. Well, you don't need to spend thousands of dollars to upgrade your car. These are affordable mods, under 50 bucks, that improves your car's performance, appearance, and driving experience, giving you something to do, a nice little Saturday project without emptying your wallet. We've got tons and tons of mods under 50 bucks on our website. You can click the link down below, free shipping on all that stuff. And whether you've got something modern or something vintage, we definitely have some cheap upgrades that can make your car feel a little better. What's your favorite mod under 50 bucks? Let us know in the comments down below. Thank you all so much for watching the video. If you liked it, hit the like button. If you are not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one.